you always in a good condition and happy situation. Friend, today we are going to learn about wild animals. Okay, check this video.
Hello friends! Do you like animals? I love them! Today we're going to learn about wild animals. I came by searching for them, but it's already nighttime. I'll use my torch to find them. There's a silhouette over there. Which animal would that be? It's a lion! Lion? The lion is the king of the jungle. Lion. I see another silhouette over there. Let's find out what animal that is. It's an elephant! Elephant! The elephant is huge! Elephant! Let's see what other animals we can spot. It's a giraffe! Giraffe! That's quite a neck, isn't it? Giraffe! Let's see what we'll find in this tree. It's a monkey! Monkey! Monkeys are so funny! Monkey! Let's see what's down there. It's a crocodile! Crocodile! Look at those teeth! Crocodile! There's another silhouette. What would that be? A gorilla! Gorilla! Gorillas are very strong. Gorilla! Let's keep searching for animals. Over here! A zebra! Zebra! Zebra stripes are so cool. Zebra! Let's see if we can spot more wild animals. A tiger! Tiger! Tigers are fierce! Tiger! What else have we got here? A rhinoceros! Rhinoceros! My, look at that horn! Rhinoceros! Let's see if there's another animal around. Sure there is! A bear! Bear! How big is that bear? Bear! I think there's one more animal around here. A wolf! Wolf! I love wolves! Wolf! Have you seen how many animals are there? Let's recap so you won't forget them. Lion. Elephant. Giraffe. Monkey. Crocodile. Gorilla. Zebra. Tiger. Rhinoceros. Bear. Wolf. That's all, friends. I think it's time to go back home.
Okay, friends, the activities today. Check this out. It's so easy, right? Okay, friends, the activities today is finished. Don't forget, keep healthy and see you next time. Okay, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.